In this MES tutorial, we are using the method of integration by recognition to evaluate the integrals that are listed above. Now, the first integral is the integral of e to the power of x divided by e to the power x minus 2 dx. Now, with me here is a formula that you use when you are integrating by recognition. When we have fx in the denominator and we got f prime x on the numerator, we're simply going to say this integrand is equal to ln fx plus c. But now if you look at the question at hand, you realize that if you differentiate this denominator, you are going to get the numerator. So as simple as that, we are going to say that is equal to ln e to the power x minus 2 plus c. Now let's move on to the next part, and that is b. Now for b, we need to integrate sine x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Now, if you try to use this method of recognition, you realize that it won't work the way we expect, because if you differentiate 1 plus cos x, you are not going to get sine x. Instead, you are going to get minus sine x. So we just need to create that situation, that condition where we have that formula being satisfied. So we are going to say minus sine x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. But we can't just put this in negative sign because our statement will not be true anymore. So we just need to put a negative out there so that our statement is true. All right. So now this has become what we wanted it to be. This one is differentiated, you get that. So we are going to use this formula. All right. So we're saying that this is equal to minus ln 1 plus cos x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So part B is finished. Now let's move on to part C. And that is the question that is on the thumbnail. Okay. Now on C, we are integrating 10x squared divided by 5x to the power of 3 plus 2 dx. Again, we are not getting what we expected, because if you differentiate the denominator, you are not going to get the numerator. You differentiate the denominator, you are going to get 15x to the power 2. That's what you are going to get. So we just need to create a situation where we have that on the numerator. All right. So we can just start by taking a 2 out of that. All right. Then we are going to have 5x squared. We haven't changed anything because 2 times 5, you're just going to get 10. All right. And then we got 5x to the power of 3 plus 2 dx. But we are not yet there. We need to create a situation where we have 15x squared. So we just need to multiply by 3 on that. Okay. But we can't just do it. We need to also divide by 3 so that the statement becomes true. Because if you say 3 by 3, you get a 1. And you say 2 by 5, you still get 10x squared. All right. But we know we are going to get that. All right. So we're going to say this is equal to 2 over 3, the integral of 15x squared over 5 x to the power of 3 plus 2 dx. Now we've got what we wanted. Now we're going to use that formula up there. Then we're going to say this is equal to 2 over 3 ln 5x to the power of 3 plus 2 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. We've come to the end of this session. Check out the next video. It is on integration by parts. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.